How to find all your stories archive on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see all your archive stories on your Facebook Messenger. So easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it. Now click on your profile, scroll down and click on story. Now you have the last option, which is view story archive. Click on it. And first, when you turned on any stories you post will be saved to a private archive visible only to you. You should first already turn on archive stories to have this option to view your story archive. Now click on it, and now you're gonna find all your stories archive. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.